Welcome to BHSR VLM Degree College, Navarapalli. So, in this session, I'm going to talk about the third BSc Computer Science cluster paper is named as a PHP Mysql WordPress. This is the paper C1 paper. This is the C1 paper of the cluster here. And in this previous class session, I have discussed in this fourth unit, and now I'm going to talk about the fifth that is called completely WordPress CSS. Okay, what is the WordPress CSS? What is the WordPress CSS? What is the logo of the WordPress CSS? Okay, in this scenario, we have to learn what is WordPress and how to install and configure the WordPress. And third one is called as what is the dashboard of the WordPress, what is the logo of the WordPress, and what is the pages and posts here, and what is the pages and what is the posts are available in this dashboard of the WordPress here. Okay, so these are the simplest questions, and we have to see what is the WordPress here. Okay, so before going, we have to see what is this WordPress here. So WordPress is the one of the open source software here, that is called open source content here. In this contents we have to see, so what is the WordPress says that what is the WordPress having the what is CSS. WordPress is an open source content management. The content management is always a CMS here. Okay, so open source is what is the WordPress is open. WordPress is an open source content management. So this is the one of the open source content management system. We say that CMS. CMS means content management system CS. Okay, so what is the use of the WordPress CS? What is the purpose of the WordPress CS? What allows the here we have to see this. uh, the WordPress is an open source content management system CS, and it can allows the user to build dynamic websites and blogs. Okay, it can accept in create dynamic websites, dynamic websites or blogs. So these websites are comes under this huge amount of the blogs or huge websites here. Okay, so the WordPress is the best suitable for to creating these websites. Very huge. It is also accepting the huge social networks, that is called Facebook is also used here, on Twitter is also most popular means. Okay, which allows to users to dynamic and websites and blogs here. And WordPress is the most popular blogging systems on the web and allows. Okay, so this is the most popular blog here. This is the most popular. This is the most popular. This is the most popular of the WordPress. Yes. Okay, blogging. While using in this blogging, that's purpose. It is the very important here, and the web CS, and it is also updating and customizing and managing the website from its backend CMS and components. Okay, so using this WordPress, we can also updating this, managing this, customize the websites from its backend CMSs. So that's why we can customize. Customize means we have to create the user convenient to items into the blogging style CS, and we have also managing the managing also websites here. From where do we have to create here? By using this backend CMS components. So using this backend CMS and its components. Its component. This is the uh, WordPress is. So WordPress is the open source content management technique here. So this is the most popular blogging here. And while we are using this WordPress, we have to create the dynamic websites or blogging here. And this is the most popular blogging created here. And by using this WordPress we have to customizing this, and we have to manage this, and we have to also update. Update is also possible using this backend CMS and its component CSS. So that purpose this is the most popular WordPress CSS. Okay. So what is the CMS? Yes. What is the CMS? Can tell CS. Okay. CMS means what here? CMS means content management system CS. It tells what he is. Okay. So what is the CMS can use to create this CS? Okay. So CMS is a software which stores the address such as text, photos, music, documents, videos, and etc. Okay. It is also made for available for your websites. It helps of editing, publishing, and modifying the content of the websites here. So that is we have to see this the content management systems. So it can store this number of the photos, number of the videos, and number of the musics, documents also. You have to made easily and on your websites. So if you want to put your photos, put your documents, or put your links on these websites, we have to see the very easily in the CMS here, that is the content management systems here. So the content management system is easy to place our photos or videos in this WordPress. Yes, we have not only musics, we have to place our text or headings or photos or musics, documents, videos, and links, and so many options are available to place this the web blogs here. Okay, and it is also made available in your websites here, and it helps not only to place the videos here, and it is also helping to in editing, that means editing or publishing or modifying the contents of the websites here. That purpose we have to see these scenarios here. So in this scenario we have to place pics, photos, music, documents, videos on website. On website, very easily. This is the very easiest WordPress to develop in here, and this is the it helping the editing and publishing also, modifying is also available here. So that is the CMS here. CMS can place the photos, music, documents, videos on the websites, and etc. Not only videos, and etc. That means etc means end of thinking capacity here. Okay, so this is we call as a WordPress, and WordPress is also an open source content management here. Okay, now I am going to talk about the history of the WordPress. What is the history of the WordPress here? We have to see this scenario, and what is the use of this WordPress here. See here, and WordPress was initially is released in the May 27th, 27th May 2003. Okay, the WordPress is initially it is not an open source software here. It is not an open source software here. Okay, but it can be released in the 27th May 2003. By whom here? We have two persons are available here. That is called Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little here. What is that? Matt Mullenweg here. So by Matt Mullen, right? And some person is also available. That is called the also we have to see that little persons. So it is initially is named as Mike. So Mike. So these two persons can introduce this scenario here. So that is we call as a WordPress. This is the WordPress history, and we have to see. We have to see the WordPress is initially is released in the 27th May 2003, and by a persons we have to see there is a two persons are developed the WordPress software here. The name is a Matt Mullenweg, and the third second person is called as a Mike Little here. So these two persons can develop this. Mike Little is the two persons who can introduce the WordPress here. Okay. Initially, the WordPress is not an open source software here. Okay. Later, it can be developed and it can be debugged the softwares and modifying its updates. And finally, it is an open source software. It is also announcing in October 2009. They are accepting, they are announcing this is the an open source software. This is the an open source software. Okay, but in 2003 it is not an open source software. Yes. Okay, so after 6 years they are going to perform the effort their effort. It is released in this. The WordPress was announced as an open source in October 2009 years. Okay, that is the history of the this WordPress software here. That is the history of the WordPress software here. Okay, so that is the history of this software here. And now I'm going to its features. What is the features of the it's WordPress here? So the first point we have to see there is a some features are available here. So features of the WordPress here. So the first feature is called as a user management. What is that? User management. So user management what here? It allows the managing the user information such as changing the role of the users. Oh, okay, role of the users. So users means what here? The subscriber or contributor or author or editor or administrators. So these all comes under the users here. Okay. Create or delete the user, change the password and username information. Okay. The main role of the user management is an authentication here. Okay. Authentication is the very important term while you're using this features here. Because of the what is the authentication here? So if is the person having this username and password, that person is the authenticated person here. Okay. If the person does not know the its password, that person is not a unauthorized person to access that software here. Okay, so the user management is the authentication is the very important term while you are using in this features here. That is we call as a user management. So what is the user management tells here? It allows the managing the user information such as the changing the role of the users. So use users here, subscribers, contributors, or others, and also editors here or administrators here. Okay. In this, we have to create or delete the user, change the password, and the user information is also very important. Okay. The main role of the user management software is an authentication. Is very important. Authentication. Authentications. Okay. The next feature is called as a media management. Okay. The next feature is called as a media management. Second feature of the WordPress is called as a media management here. What is the media management here? It is the tool for managing the media files and folders which you can easily upload the organize and manage the media files on your websites here. Okay, so using this we have to the uploading organization, uploading photos, uploading videos on the website is very easy. For example, some of the websites are following this placing the our news channels is uploading very easily to update the photos and videos and what are the matter here. So very easily yes. And we have to see also theme systems. So theme is also one of the software here. So this is called a theme management. So what is the theme management here? It allows the modifying the site view and functionally it, it includes the images, style sheets, templates, files, and very easily use. That purpose we have to use these themes. The themes is nothing but the to modify the site view. The view is very can easy view is very easily and attractively the persons and the user can stay there more time on this websites here because of see the website is not going it is not attracted the user should not to stay the more time on this website that purpose they have to allows them modifying the sites view and functionality. It includes the images style sheets template files here. Okay, so yes. Okay, so that is the user here, and we have to see the extend plugins also available here. What is that? Extended plugins is also available here. We have to see there is a extended with plugins. Yes, extended with plugins. Okay, action plugins is also very useful here. Several plugins are available which provides the custom function and features according to the user need here. So that's purpose we have to number of plugins are available in this WordPress and we have to use this to provides the customize the functions as is convenience of the user here. And we have to see there is a search engine option is also available here. That is we call it the search engine. Search engine is also available of the optimization. That is, we simply say that optimization. It is we say this simply say that SEO. Okay, in this SEO says that what here it provides the several searches engines optimization tools to make the on-site ECB SEO is also very simple. There is a number of the optimization tools are available here to make on sites the search engine optimization is very simple here. Okay, that purpose we have to see this search engine optimization here, and we have to see this multilingual here that it allows the translating the entire content into the language preferred by the user here. We have to also this is also we have to see like that Google Translator is also here, and in this scenario we have to see this multilingual. Multilingual means what here? The translating the entire the content into the language preferred by the user here, such as it can accepting like user convenience user language such as translators that is called as a UC browser translator, UC translators or Google Translator, whatever it may be. The content will be comes under this so the user preference language such as English, Telugu or different languages are available here. Yes, and importers. It is also the importers also very important topic. Importers. So what is the importers? Yes, it allows in the translating the entire content into the a language preferred by the users. That is we called as a multilingual here. And what is the importers here? It allows the importing data in the format in the form of the posts in the form of the posts. It imports custom files, components, post pages and tags here. Okay, that purpose we have to import so many pages importers are also available here such as the posts and the importers custom files and comments, posts, pages and tags. So these all comes under the importers while we are using in this while using in this WordPress here. Okay, these we have called as a WordPress features. This is the topic of the here, and initially the WordPress can be the WordPress is released in the 2003 April sorry May 27th years by a person. Two persons are available here. The two persons are named as a Matt Mulling, and second one is called as a uh, Mike Little here. So these two persons is developed the is released this the WordPress software case. It is released in the 2003 May 27th years. After 6 years, The WordPress is going to announce this as a it is going to announce it as a open source software in the 2009 October years. Okay, so this is the introduction on the advantages and the CMS of the WordPress is. And tomorrow I will going to talk about the how to installing and how to configure the WordPress of the system here. Okay, so this is the class of the WordPress. So tomorrow I'll talk about it with the different topics here. Thanks for watching this class. Have a nice day.